Hello and welcome back to A-Level Geography Explained. In this case study video, we will be looking at the Holderness Coast, which is a really useful case study for the coast's topic. The Holderness Coast is located in the northeast of England, stretching from Llanboirpwll Head in the north down to Spurn Point at the mouth of the Humber estuary. This coastline is well known for being one of the fastest eroding coastlines in the whole of Europe. Several settlements, farmlands, and key transport links are under constant threat as the coastline retreats every year. Although the whole coastline is affected, the impacts vary from place to place. The soft cliffs around Hornsea and Mapleton experience rapid erosion, while the narrow spit at Spurn Point is constantly reshaped by longshore drift and storm waves. Farther north, the cliffs at Llanboirpwll Head are more resistant, made of chalk, creating a very noticeable contrast with the soft clay cliffs to the south. The slides look at the causes of the rapid erosion along the Holderness Coast. The geology is the main reason why the coastline is so vulnerable. Much of the coastline is made up of unconsolidated boulder clay, which was deposited after the last ice age. This clay is extremely soft and breaks apart easily when exposed to waves, rainwater, and wind. As a result, the cliffs can retreat by more than a meter every year. Powerful wave action also drives the erosion. The coastline is exposed to strong waves coming from the northeast, giving them a long fetch over the North Sea. This means the waves have a lot of energy by the time they reach the Holderness Coast. These destructive waves erode the base of the cliffs, creating steep, unstable slopes that collapse and fall into the sea. Another important factor is longshore drift. Material that is eroded from the cliffs is quickly transported southwards along the coastline. This means that very little sediment stays in the system. Beaches become narrow, which reduces natural protection and allows waves to attack the base of the cliffs even more aggressively. The shape of the coastline also contributes to rapid erosion. The cliffs face the open sea directly, with no significant headlands or bays to absorb or redirect wave energy. Combined with the rising sea levels and more frequent storm events linked to climate change, the coastline is under increasing pressure each year. Let's look at the impacts. Socially, many coastal communities have faced the loss of homes, farmland, and local services. Villages such as Skipsea and Aldborough have seen several properties fall into the sea, and some residents have had to relocate as erosion has moved dangerously close to their homes. Road links have been lost, cutting off access to certain areas and affecting people's ability to travel safely around the region. Economically, the erosion threatens valuable agricultural land, which reduces income for farmers. Tourism, which is important in towns such as Hornsea, has been affected as facilities, caravan parks, and footpaths become unsafe or lost altogether. Coastal defenses are extremely expensive to maintain, and protecting the entire coastline is not financially realistic, so decisions have to be made about which places can be defended and which must be left unprotected. Environmentally, the rapid erosion contributes large amounts of sediment into the Humber estuary, which affects habitats and increases the need for dredging. At Spurn Point, the movement of sediment constantly reshapes the spit, altering habitats for birds and other wildlife. Sea defenses in some areas have also disrupted sediment movement, making erosion worse farther down the coastline and causing changes to beach and cliff systems. I hope this video helped your revision. Please find more videos on my channel and make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.